In this video, we will show you how to update Microsoft Store apps. In the newest version of Microsoft Store, there is little different how you can update your apps. How to do that? First, open your Microsoft Store here, and if you can see, this Microsoft Store will different with the previous Microsoft Store if you are still using Windows 11 or Windows 10 for the older version. To get the updates for your apps, you need just go to downloads here. Okay, this is the download button. Just click them. Please wait until the application is open. Then you can click get updates. By clicking this get updates, the application that have the newer version will update in this table. So just please wait here. Now you can see there is some application that can be updated because it have the newer version. Okay, it will automatically download like this. So just please wait until all the update process is completed. And that's all tutorial how you can update the Microsoft Store apps. Hope this video helpful for you.